Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So today I am recreating the chiffon technique and this is the updated version. So I have my resin tints here and it's purple and black, and I'm using a bit of alcohol ink, the brown shade, because I just need a specific shade of the purple for this. And I have taken a low viscosity resin here, and the reason being is that we don't need a high viscosity. Low viscosity resin will give us less to no bubbles. So meanwhile, I'm mixing my pigment and I need a very light pigment, not a strong pigment here. So I want to give a shout out to the original creator of this technique. I will link their Instagram account in my description. Because this technique was really viral on Instagram, I was trying to make it. And after searching, I went to the original creator of this technique, and so we should give the proper credit to them. So after mixing my pigment into the resin, I am just pouring it into the mold, and you can see I have taken a deep mold here. So I have used a thick chiffon fabric in my previous video, but originally you have to use a lightweight chiffon fabric, and I will link this fabric from where I bought from Amazon into my description so you can buy easily. So this is really a soft fabric, and now I just inserted my fabric into the resin. So this is a really crucial point where you have to design your folds. It's really up to you how you like it. You want to have less folds, you can have less, and if you want to have a more fabric effect, so you can add more folds. So they actually showed a very little glimpse of their work, so rest of the technique we have to work out ourselves. So that's what actually I'm doing here. So I'm gathering the corner of the fabric that has some threads. I don't want that into my piece, that's why I'm cutting it off. So as easy as it looks, it is a bit of job to create the folds and maintain the fabric into the resin, as because this is a low viscosity resin, it's runny, so the folds get here and there easily. So that's why this will take some time. So take your time. So I just speed up the process here and you just watch and enjoy. So after, when you're happy, you just leave it to cure and see you next day. So this is the next day, and all my fabric is hardened up. You can see I have made some swirls, some roses. So now I'm doing the top coat here, second layer. Again doing the same, adding the purple pigment into my resin. So the technique was going good so far, but what I saw is that the places where I made the roses, it's a bit on the upper side, and the rest of the uh, design got a bit on the lower side. So I was thinking of doing something to this. So after adding my resin, I thought, why not get a bit experimental? So I pulled out my Rizzy mold and I thought I might add it. So this was a 50-50 sort of thing. Part of me was thinking that I have to do it, and part of me was saying that no, don't touch it. But still, I have to experiment. And my only fear is that this project has taken a lot of resin, so I don't want to damage or destroy it. But we'll see how it turned out. No problem. We'll live, we learn. So we let it cure. This is the next day, and let's see how it turned out. I am demolding it out of the mold, and as you can see how thick it is. So now time to pull out the drizzy. Let's see. Yeah, though that what I was afraid of, it has happened, and I really don't like it. And actually I don't like it all the way how it turned out. But here you go. Actually, this is the technique, and this is the effect I was looking for. It is always the back side, and I was thinking that the top side is the main, so I was creating the roses. But this is the side you have to focus on. For next time I will be keeping that in mind. So this is actually the side, this one, yeah. So for this side I might sand it off and do any sort of top coat with a dark color. For this side I will be doing the top coat. So this is the back side is sanded. So after cleaning it with the soft cloth, I will be doing a top coat. And I will leave it to cure. So this is the next day, and now it's this side, and I was thinking what to do with this side, so I decided to do the top coat here and I added a black pigment to it. So it will be a dark background here. So after adding the dark epoxy resin, we will leave it to cure and then let's see how it turned out. So here is the final look, and adding the black color to the back, it really bring out the magic. The effect popped so amazingly and I really am loving it. It's really so soft, that fabric, and the amount of resin I have used that I was so sad about it, it all vanished and I'm so happy. Really, just tell me you love it as I am. So this was not a quick video, it is a process and I had to spend many days and hours in making it. But now when I know that how it is made, I might take some less time for the next project. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please considering do so, as I make a lot of new videos and try to teach you different techniques and learn a lot from you also. So thank you again. Take care. Bye bye.